this, but a bit of wheel spin coming out the final corner. Right, let's go. In the wet, iRacing. I didn't think anyone was going to be saying this in their lifetime, but it's happening. Bit of understeering to first chicane, carried a bit too much speed. Here, go towards the middle of the track. There's no puddles. Car turned in. Be careful of the throttle, that's third gear. Bit of front locking as well. Stay off the curbs. Now, on the north side straight. Finding the key here is to actually brake offline, so as you would in real life wet driving, stay offline. Grip seems to be there. It gives you a bit of a shallower,
that's a new fastest lap for
a tighter entrance into the corners,
seconds.
but it's helping you slow down a bit quicker. This first chicane, this second chicane I find is probably one of the hardest ones to actually brake for. I didn't try and aim for the middle of the track. Just probably no more than half pressure on the throttle I'm finding is good. Trying to avoid the puddles if you can, but couldn't really avoid them there. Again, here I'd say I want to be around 175, 150. So even then, a bit front looking. Now about to Indianapolis. Here, if you stay on the dry racing line, you're aquaplaning everywhere. Let's just stay sort of in the middle of the track. So I'll slow down about 200 metres just to really keep the car in control. Cover the throttle and go up to third. Again, really careful this last corner on the track. Very easy to lock up the rears there, but we're safe. Pulse curves now. These I'd say drop down to third gear. Stay a little bit wider of the curbs again, try and use the outside grippier line. Not what I just did there. Continuously feather the throttle, make sure your foot's hovering over that brake pedal just in case you snap. Past the forward curves into the full chicane. Start braking just before pit entrance, go a little bit more to the inside to avoid the puddles. Drop down to first for the final part of it. We've done a lap. Not a fast lap, but we've done a lap. 406.
P2.
Enough for P2 in this session currently. There you go, that's a lap of Le Mans. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's not the fastest, but at least it gives you an idea what the iRacing wet is, which is absolutely brilliant, is all I can say. Absolutely brilliant.